All right, and here we got EU, which is beautiful. And I did want 1.16. I see that going. I really see that going. It's just it's been beautiful retesting supports and going down. But honestly, like I want a proper like lower high somewhere. You know, like kind of what's going on here is happening here. Right, so probably drop or something. I don't know, but we'll see, guys. We'll see. EU, like I said, I had a short here. I did take profit about 1.85 around here. That's where I took out profit before it flew up. And when it came, this was a nice short, but obviously it wasn't a 2-to-1 to my first support. So obviously I didn't take it. There are things that I'm working on at my actual strategy that I have to backtest and observe. I spend most of my time observing things. So I need to find something that gives me more entries. And I've been reading this great book. I don't know if you guys know, but Candlestick Bible Review. If you guys look at that, it's a very good book and I highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. If you go here, and it's pretty much, I forgot what it's called, but it's a very good book. I highly recommend it. He puts it amazingly. Yeah, the Candlestick TradingBible.com. It's great. You know, I think it's fucking amazing, honestly. Yeah. So based on what's going on right now, like I say, based on a few things back, what happened is we did break support, right? Let's say we broke support and this is the first time retesting it. So obviously we would probably continue down, not to just 1.16, but technically to 1.05. Because of the momentum we have, it's there. There is a clear reason for us to go down, okay? So 1.05 is a target. It's a clear target, and I do want that. I just need like a very low risk kind of trade. This was an engulfing, it was nice. Shit, actually. So 1.16 is obviously the first one, and we're almost there, guys. We could create a head and shoulders. 1 second. All right, my brother. Okay, so you see here that technically this is our lower high. This is our lower low right here. This is a lower high, lower low, lower high. So you know what happens based on market structure. You usually go test the lows, right? So that'll be interesting to have a look at. I'm gonna leave it here now because that is obviously an area that I want to have kind of retested. We could have like a head and shoulder thing going on. Let's see. You know, there is room for things to happen. I smell garlic. Somebody cooking. Sorry, I get hungry. When it's food, I always. Is that cologne? Sorry, fucking. I'm sorry. I don't fucking know what I'm doing. Yeah, it smells nice though. 122.5 we can see 120.5 we can see this support right here we have based on weekly and we can see that we have 1.16 very nice zone first obviously, and then we have this main one 1.14.5. So man, it just looks too ugly, doesn't it? When I show you guys too many lines. So obviously, I'm going to do it like this. Oh. Okay. Nope. Man, forgot EU is very sensitive to this shit. Yeah. Man, fuck it. 117.2. That's kind of a nice area. We have 1.16 obviously, but I think if we break this, we're just going to go down on, in all honesty. And again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bloody straight weeks. You know, there has to be a pull-up back. Or look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Possible to just drop to the next support, right? Okay. So, yeah, clear bullish momentum. Clearly in a bearish trend on the monthly. Makes sense. I think there was some bad news with EU recently. You guys can have a look. Speaking of that, Forex Factory. Just gonna readjust it a bit. One sec, guys, sorry. Okay, on daily, you can see this is support. We have this support too, which isn't too bad to actually draw out now. On the daily, looks fine. All right, and then we have this. Then we have, obviously, this is the more recent one. So on daily, things make sense. Things make sense. Things make sense. Okay. And clearly bearish. Clearly bearish. Clearly bearish. Probably bounce, create something. I really want this area to be tested, though. It just frustrates me, you know. That's what I mentioned on the UJ. If you think about UJ and the market structure on UJ, that's kind of what it was like, right? There was this empty space that now we filled. So the thing is, it's possible. Okay, we have it here. Obviously, that's. I'm gonna leave it there actually. But for this one, we have this. Because on a 4 hour, that's how I want it, right? So based on 4 hour, we have this sum. And then we have this, still haven't tested. And then we have this that we're staying under. And we have 117. Where did that go? I changed it, didn't I? That, okay? So basing on that, this is what we need so far. And then we have 117, right? Okay, that's 4 hour. And we're still bearish. Sorry to reply quickly. Okay, so that's based on 4 hour. Real quick, man, something smells weird, like really strange for real. Okay, adjusting all my analysis at the moment. Okay, so now we need the visualization. So looking at the visualization of what's happening now, it's possible just to drop, retest, and keep on dropping, right? Keep on dropping, and this is to 1.16 that we have. But let's look at the calendar real quick. This week, nothing in particular that's going on. I see us going down, but I think we're going to range because the week after is, I think, NFP, right? Yeah, the week after will be NFP. Yeah. The 1st of June. That will be NFP. That will be the start of a new monthly candle. And trust me, I think NFP is going to make US dollar fucking weak. We get that week and continue down. Okay? makes sense in my head. We could go up, retest this, and continue down. Or we could break, go up here. This is visualization, not saying it's gonna fucking fly, but it could. We could just range, drop down to 1.16, range, go up, and then go up to retest this, and then who knows, we'll probably go down, right? But these are possible ideas. The powerful thing about visualization, you just want to kind of understand what the markets could do. I say this every week and people still don't understand. You have to plan it out. If you don't plan it out, you're not going to be prepared for it. Okay, last week, why didn't I take so many trades? Guess what? I was sick, right? I was sick and I was just not prepared. I just didn't feel confident in my analysis. I did a brief analysis, half sick. So yeah, just do that, guys. It's simple.